Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. So, today we will start a new chapter of FFO syllabus, that is length. So, let us understand first the meaning of length. So, length means how long the object is. So, length gives us an idea about the measure of the distance or height of an object. So, it is an indicator of how long the object is, how tall an object is, or how far or near an object is. So we can measure the length of various objects we find in a classroom, or we can find the length of objects we can have in our room also. So we can measure the length of blackboard, we can measure the height of a pole or a distance of two cities. So these all gives us an idea about the length. So in early days, people use different units to measure the length of objects. So earlier people use their body parts to measure the length. So they use their hand span, they use cubit, they use stride or palm to measure the length of objects. So as these non-standard units are not fixed, so the non-standard units are not fixed. So the standard units are introduced. So first we will learn about the instrument we use to measure the length of objects. So we use ruler or a scale. We call it scale. All of you have seen scale in your geometry box. So here is the scale and there are small markings on it. So these all are representing the length. Okay, so this is your scale. Next one is your inch tape. So you all of you might have seen an inch tape on the tailor's shop. So this is used to measure the length of cloth. So there is also marking on it and these all are showing centimeters. Okay, so we have meter rod also. So meter rod is also used to measure the length of longer clothes. So these are the instrument we use to measure the length of different objects. Now the standard units. Standard units means fixed units. So we have different units of length. That is, first is your centimeters, meters and kilometers. So centimeters we write in short form cm. For meters we write m, and for kilometers we write km. So for very short lengths we use the unit centimeters. For short lengths we use meters, and for a very big lengths or long distances we use kilometers. So now the standard unit of length is meters. Now as we can see on this inch tape that there are centimeters, and here if we take up to 100 centimeters, so it will show you this is your 100 centimeters. Here is the 100 centimeters we have. Okay, so here is the 100 centimeters. So this is the length of, this is showing us the length of 1 meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So the standard unit of length is your meters, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now if we take the bigger unit, that is the bigger unit of length is your kilometers, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So we can use this scale to measure the length of this envelope I have. So how I can measure this length? I will place my scale over here, and here from 0 I will start measuring its length. So from 0 I will put its edge over it and I can measure. So as you can see, the length of this envelope is almost, it's your up to 19 centimeter. So in this way you can measure the length of any objects at home with this scale. Now the next part is, as you can do this part, and this is your chapter length, unit 8, and you can do this page yourself. So go through this video, dear children, and try to do this page. Thank you.